What's up, guys? So today's video we are doing the rear brakes and rotors on the '03 Forester. If you didn't check out the review video of the Forester, I will link it down in the description box. By now, I don't know if I started a playlist yet because this should be the second video of the Forester, but eventually we'll have a playlist of the Forester. So let's get right into this video, guys. Real simple, real easy. Show you how to do it. Okay, part wise, here you go. This is the rotor 31043. This is Duralast rotor. Looks just like this. I took it out of the plastic so you guys can see it, but that's what your rotor is gonna look like. And your brake pads right here, MKD 770. Okay, and then you'll need one set of these. It should come with 4 brake pads in it, but let's jack the car up and get going. Okay, guys, so right here and right here, it's 14 millimeters. So you're gonna back these out. I already loosened them so that I can back them out. So you're gonna back these all the way out like so. And then once you get these all the way out, you're gonna set them to the side so you don't lose them. Your brake caliper should come up like this. You can set this off to the side, kind of like so. You don't want that to fall because you don't want to damage your brake line. So then you pop these out. Okay, get these out like so. Then back here, where is it? Right here, you need to remove this bolt and this bolt right here. I'll tell you what size those are in just a second. Okay, guys, so the back bolts are 14 millimeter as well. You're gonna back them out. They will look like this when you get them out. Short little bolt like so. Focus. There you go. It's a short little bolt like this, and then once you get a bolt out, I still gotta get the bottom one out. Your caliper bracket here will come out, and then you'll be able to pull your rotor off. Okay, once you get those 2 bolts out of the bracket in the back, the bracket will slide off, then your rotor should slide right off. You put the new rotor in, put your bracket back on. This is a new bracket. You can use your old bracket. Then you press the piston down your caliper. I'll show you guys that in the next clip here. And then you put your guide bolts here back in, and you're gonna have to pump your brakes a few times afterwards, but let me show you pressing down the brake caliper piston. Okay, guys, so you're gonna take your old brake pad, your C-clamp like so, and your brake caliper, and you're just gonna twist your C-clamp down, and it's gonna compress the piston back here. You do that till it's flat, and then you can put your new brake pads in here like so, like this, and then the brake pad on the other side, and then put your caliper over. Okay, guys, so that's how you do the rear brakes and rotors on an '03 Subaru Forester. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and if you haven't checked out the review video of the Subaru, links in the top of the description box for you guys to go check out that video. Also, it came out a couple days before this one. So I will see you guys in the next video. Like always, all the social media is down in the description box for you guys. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all that stuff. You guys can go follow over there. I do post on Instagram almost daily. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Good vibes, good cruising.